Live here bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we got a technical analysis on Tron here, one of the channel's favorite coin, currently down almost 5% for the day, sitting at about 3.5 cents. But really quick though, guys, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. I feel like I can't hear out of this ear for some reason. All day, I haven't been able to hear out of my right ear, but whatever. Market cap sitting at 331 billion. Today's volume almost 15 billion, sitting at 14.9. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 44.1. Bitcoin down 3% for the day, guys, sitting just below 8,700. Ethereum down 6, Ripple down 6, Bitcoin Cash down 3, Litecoin down almost 5, Cardano down 7, EOS up 3. Big winners today, guys: Blocknet, Loopring, Enigma, and Vertcoin. Big losers today: GX Chain, Populous, what is it? Ontology? Onto Lala. I don't even know how to say that. Ontology. Yeah, there you go. Ontology. Lisk and Request are the big losers here, down about 9%. Really quick though, guys, go ahead and take a look at Justin Sun, the founder of the Tron Foundation. Let's see if they've tweeted anything crazy. Our Tron can help you raise cryptos like TRX, BTC, make next season. To make the next season of Rick and Morty, we don't need to beg for network orders. That's pretty funny. In about 8 days, guys, they actually have the launching of their testnet, which is actually very, very exciting. I also do believe I haven't been following Tron too much lately. Just kind of been all over the place, doing mostly price action, not too much of the fundamentals. But I do believe there is a Tron coin burning coming up very soon as well. So here's the make the web decentralized again, guys. They got the testnet going live here. This was tweeted the 17th, saying they're going live in 13 days. Now it's about 8 days, so very, very excited there. Definitely expecting Tron to make a nice little run here. They just added a new member to the team, former core security engineer of the 360, joins Tron. What else? Let's see. Cool thing about Tron's Twitter, guys, is they also provide these weekly updates in multiple languages. So, just in case you can't read or write in English, they do have it in other languages, which is pretty cool. So I definitely recommend you guys follow Justin Sun on Twitter if you don't already, or the Tron Foundation. They definitely provide a lot of updates, so definitely my recommendation. But you guys came here for some Tron technical analysis. Market cap sitting at 2.3 billion. Today's volume 203 million. Circulating supply here, guys, 65 billion. Total supply 100 billion. Major exchanges: Binance, Huobi, BTC, Binance again. Bittrex finally got added there, as you guys can tell. But let's go ahead and head over to the charts that you guys came here for. Really quick, guys, go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Still can't break above this 9,000, guys. I'm waiting for that break and close above 9,000 before I decide to add to my position. We still have a little bit of room towards the downside, so I don't want to add just yet. Oh. What happened? No. Sorry about that, guys. My laptop was acting a little bit weird. Really quick, though, Bitcoin USD on the daily broker is Coinbase. This is the daily here, guys. If you look at the daily, I'm going to take out my paintbrush. Looks like we still have a little bit of room towards the downside. We could be seeing a drop, probably down to about 8,250 and then bounce towards the upside. However, if we don't hold at this price, guys, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to break this 8,000 level and come back down to about 6,500. So not adding to my position just yet. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hours, see what the 4 hours showing us really quick before we look at these other altcoins. So this is what I'm kind of expecting from Bitcoin, guys. We're looking, this is why I'm waiting for that. So the 4 hours showing us once we break and close above 9,100, we should be good to go, which is what I'm waiting for. However, I might be able to catch a buy down here once we do get this little dip. So what I'm kind of waiting here for Bitcoin to do is probably come back down to about 8,000, maybe 7,500, and then once we do reach that price, add to my position. But Bitcoin, not too big on my portfolio. Oops, stay on page. Let's go to Ethereum. I feel like I'm in it for the bigger profits. I feel like obviously you can make you can gain a little bit more with these smaller altcoins just because they're a little bit cheaper, a little bit more room towards the upside. But don't get me wrong, Bitcoin is king still in my opinion. Ethereum looking bullish here, however, guys. We could possibly come back down to our breakout zone to test it. That's kind of what I'm expecting, is another drop down to our breakout here at about 450 and then bounce towards the upside. However, once we reach this price, I am expecting quite a bit of consolidation, so do look out for that. And Litecoin here, guys, one of my favorite, also looking a little bearish as well. Looks like what I'm expecting from Litecoin here, guys. Yeah, we got this nice little doji candle, nice little wick. Is I'm actually expecting us to come back down and possibly form a double bottom here and then head towards the upside. If we do hold at this level, this is my confirmation that we are in the altcoin season market or in the crypto market now, and everything should be green from here on out. Last time we were at this price, guys, we had a pretty, pretty big breakout towards the upside. Went from about 160 all the way up to about 212, no problem. So kind of expecting, the same thing to happen here. Bottom one, bottom two. This would be bottom one. Waiting for that bottom two to form. But you guys came here for some Tron BTC. This is the daily brokers Binance platform we're using is trading you guys. Nice little channel we were in. We broke out of it. And then we jumped into another channel from what it seems like. Also broke out of that one. This isn't a pretty channel though. Also broke out of that one. Probably looks a lot better on the smaller time frames. Man, I can't hear out of this right ear, but it's all right. So last time we were at this price, guys, formed our higher high, higher low, broke out towards the upside, came down to test it not once, not twice, but 3 times here for support. So I'm waiting for that one more bounce here before we get that confirmation. I decided to add to my Tron position. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour here, see what the 4-hour is showing us. 4 hours showed us a push to about 458 Satoshi. Since then, we've kind of been falling, kind of been consolidating here for a little bit. Go ahead and take out my little paintbrush here. So what I'm kind of expecting from Tron to do here is if we're not going to hold at this level, because you can tell, this was our high. This was our resistance before, resistance, resistance, resistance. So now this becomes our support. Let me go ahead and actually draw a minor support for you guys. So this is where we're currently sitting at our minor support. I'm waiting to get a confirmation to make sure we hold, guys. If we do hold at this candle or at this price and we do decide to see a little bit more of some green candles, I'm definitely looking to add to my position. However, if this doesn't decide to hold, what I'm kind of expecting from Tron here is for us to drop all the way down to about 375 and then bounce towards the upside. And what I believe that's going to do is that's going to give us the start of this nice little uptrend. However, we are, it's a 50-50 for me right now. We could consolidate here for a bit, hold, push towards the upside, or we could drop one more time and then push towards the upside, kind of get all those new traders and investors out, give them one more shake. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Where do I see Tron going in 2018? I believe Tron can easily, I believe Tron can come back. All-time high here was about 2,000 Satoshis. I believe we can hit 3,000 Satoshis towards the end of 2018. They got the live testnet coming out very, very soon, so look out for that. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-Steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, you guys need to jump over to Steam it. You guys are missing out on some exclusive content. Plus, you're going to get rewarded for what you're already doing now, so you might as well, be on Steam it. But other than that, guys, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.